Crete has two main cities, Chania and Heraklion. If you're staying in Chania, then the must-do boat tour is the one going to Balos. I've already made a whole video on that. If, on the other hand, you're staying in Heraklion, then the boat tour you shouldn't miss on is the one going to Via. Via is this tiny island located 10 kilometers away from Heraklion city. It's uninhabited, there's no houses, but what makes it so famous is how clear the water is all around it. So the tour starts here at the port of Heraklion. If you're staying in Heraklion city center, then you can definitely reach this spot on foot. If you're a little farther away, then you have the option to pay a little extra to get picked up at your hotel. So you're on board the ship. As you head out of the port, you'll pass by the very impressive Coules, which is this 16th century fortress, which you can also visit, by the way. I'll make a video on that soon. And then as soon as you're out of the port, if there's enough wind, the skipper will switch off the engines and raise the sails. Because yes, this is a sailboat tour. Lots of sailboat companies around Greece don't bother opening the sails because it's much easier to leave the engines on and not rely on the wind. But this one here actually does it. So if you've never experienced that, it's kind of cool. And then it's time to relax, get a drink, and slowly make your way to Via Island, which will take around 1 hour. And unlimited drinks on board, by the way. As you reach the island, the skipper will give you some indications on where the best snorkeling spots are. And trust me, you're gonna be blown away by these crystal clear turquoise waters. Via is a really, really special place. That's why this tour is so popular. You're gonna stay there for roughly 2.5 hours, so you have plenty of time to snorkel around. And snorkeling gear is provided. So even if you didn't bring your own mask, they got you covered. You can also swim to the shore if you want to go and explore the island on foot, even though there's not that much to see since it's uninhabited. There will also be a few stand-up paddle boards provided, which is a very nice bonus. This is actually why I chose this company over the others. I love paddle boarding. And then it's time for lunch or dinner, depending on what time you booked the tour. We had chicken barbecued on board with rice and a Greek salad. And then after having spent nearly 3 hours there, we raised the sails once more. And with all these beautiful sails open, we head back to Heraklion while enjoying one of the most beautiful sunsets of your life, probably. The tour lasts 5 hours in total and runs twice a day, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. If you want to see the sunset like you're seeing here, of course, you will have to book the afternoon tour. Now, just so you know, you can also do this whole tour on a catamaran instead of a sailboat. A catamaran is much wider than a sailboat. This here is footage of a catamaran tour I joined in Santorini, and you can see how much more space there is to lie down and to walk around. But on the other hand, catamarans don't open their sails, they only move around with their engines. So if you want the sailing adventure vibe, book the sailboat tour. If you want the comfort, get the catamaran one. Now, where can you book both these tours? Well, you can scan these, or I will leave the links down below as well. And that's gonna lead you to the Get Your Guide website, which is sponsoring this video. For years, I've been using Get Your Guide way before they started sponsoring me. And that's because they basically have every single experience that exists in the world. Whichever country you go to, whatever type of activity you're looking for, they have it. No need to get lost on the internet, jumping from one website to the other, trying to understand everyone's cancellation policy, which is always a huge mess. On Get Your Guide, everything is centralized. It's just so much more efficient. Plus, you can cancel for free all the way up to 24 hours before the tour starts, which is a surprisingly generous cancellation policy. So yeah, Get Your Guide. I'm a big fan. Thanks for the support. All right, if you want to see more about Santorini's catamaran tour, which in my eyes is the best boat tour in all of Greece, because you have all these super unique shapes and colors that come from the volcanic nature of Santorini, then you can watch this video. And for the wonderful day trip to Spinalonga Island, also starting from Heraklion in Crete, it's this one. And there you go. That's it for today. Hope you liked it. See you in the next one. Bye.